Hello, children. Good morning. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Now, as far as the English James Reader is concerned, we have completed the chapter Down the Volcano. I've given you the question answers also in the WhatsApp group. So, today we'll start a new chapter, new lesson, that is a girl called Manu. Who is Manu? Manu was a nickname of Rani of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai. She was a brave queen. Jhansi was a kingdom during the British period. Now it is a city in Uttar Pradesh at present. In Uttar Pradesh, there is a city known as Jhansi. That was a kingdom during the British period, and the queen was Rani Lakshmi Bai. We'll be reading about her life history in this drama. This is basically a drama. This drama can be enacted also. It can be played either in school or anywhere. It's a very nice drama. We'll see what is written in this. There will be various characters, various dialogues. We'll read that. I think you will enjoy it. Let us see. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was a brave young queen known for her heroism. Heroism means bravery. She was a leading figure in the Indian struggle against the British in 1857. In 1857, there was a freedom struggle which is also known as the First War of Indian Independence. She was a leading figure in this War of Indian Independence in the 1857 during the British period. She is remembered for her bravery and sacrifice. Bravery and sacrifice. Read this play. Play means drama. Read this play that tells us about some of the important moments in her life. Let us see. As it is a play, the characters are clearly mentioned. Narrator. Who is the narrator? The narrator is the one who is actually narrating the entire drama. Who will be telling you what is happening, what happened, what is the setting of the stage, and all these things. Sage. Sage means hermit. Moropant Tambe. Who was Moropant Tambe? That we'll see in the drama. Tambe's wife, Manu oblique Rani. Manu later on went on to become Rani and Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. Nana, Gangadhar Rao. State priest, courtier. Courtier means the person who is in the court of a king. Major Ellis, he was a Britisher. He was a British messenger. Soldier, messengers, and minister. These are the characters of this drama. In case we want, we can enact this drama. If it is possible, we could have enacted it in the school also. But as you know, that we have many problems now. During this now, the schools are not open. Schools are closed, as you know it. Let us see what happens. What does the narrator say? Narrator. Moropant Tambe, a courtier of the Maratha ruler Baji Rao II, is very happy today. He and his wife have had a baby girl and they have named her Manikarnika, Manu for short. So, Moropant Tambe, a courtier of Maratha ruler. Who was Moropant Tambe? He was a courtier of the Maratha ruler. What was the name of the ruler? Baji Rao II. Why is he happy? Because he and his wife have had a baby girl. And what was the name of the baby girl that they have given? They named her Manikarnika or Manu for short. Now, what is the scene? What is the scene of the drama now? At Tambe's residence, Moropant Tambe's residence, there is singing and dancing. Tambe is receiving guests, and his wife, with a baby in her arms, is the center of attraction. Just then, a sage with flowing white hair arrives. Tambe touches his feet. The sage blesses him, then walks across to bless the child. Sage, blessing the child, exclaims, "What a lovely baby! Such a glow on her face." Now, to the audience, he says, to the audience in the means in the residence of Moropon Tambe, whoever are present there, he faces the audience and says, "Mark my words, this is no ordinary child. She is destined to make history. Take good care of her." Mark my words means you should remember my words. You take my words for granted. Destined to make history. That means in future she will make history. She will create history. She will do something for which the people will remember her. Everyone present listens in awe. Awe means respect, and stands still as the sage leaves. Now the sage has left. Next, what happens? Let us see. Scene 2. That was the scene 1. This is the scene 1. Now we are in the scene 2. What is the setting in the scene 2? Narrator. As a young girl, Manu has a friend and companion, Nana, the son of Bajirao. Manu's father, Moropon Tambe, was a courtier in the court of Bajirao too, and Nana was the son of Bajirao. Nana was a friend of Manu. They were very close friends. They were very small, very young, but they were very close friends. A young girl and a boy of the same age, dressed in riding gear, enter. Riding gear means horse riding gear, horse riding dress. For horse riding, a special dress has to be put on. They were in the horse riding dress. The boy is out of breath. That means he is very tired. Out of breath means he is very tired. The boy. Manu, laughing. Nana, you are already breathless. That means you are tired. I warned you not to challenge me. But you did. Now you know who rides faster. Nana, I know. What a fool I was. Admiringly. That means with praise in his eyes. What a fool I was, Manu. You really are brave. You really are brave. The way you lifted me on your horse when I fell, and the way you rode were remarkable. I couldn't have done that. So that means in horse riding and in bravery, Manu was better than Nana. They were friends, of course. Manu, what does Manu say? All this is due to my father, Nana. After my mother died, that means Manu's mother had died. After my mother died, he took me to Bithura. Bithura is the name of a place. Bithura. He took me to Bithura, where I took lessons in horse riding and warfare. Someday I shall become a soldier, Nana, and I shall ride by your side. Remember, Manu, if you ever need me, all you have to do is call. That means Nana says, in case in future you need me, you just call me. I will be there for helping you. Manu says, I will remember, Nana. Now what does the narrator say? The two part ways. Part ways means they go in different ways. They go in different path. They leave each other. The two part ways to go to their respective homes. Time flies. That means the time passes by. Moropon Tambe receives a messenger who has a marriage proposal for Manu. The proposal is from Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. Manu's father agrees to the marriage proposal and is happy. He should be, for Gangadhar is a good man. That means Manu is going to get married to Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. Scene 3. What is this scene? Where is the place of acting? At the scene of the wedding, festivities are on. Festivities means celebrations are on because wedding is going on. Wedding between the wedding of Manu and Gangadhar. The state priest of Jhansi addresses Tambe. State priest. It is our privilege and joy to have such a noble queen. She will surely bring honor to the name of Jhansi. Scene 4. What is the scene? What does the narrator say? As the wheel of life turns, the Rani of Jhansi faces many turning points in her life. A wheel of life turns means life goes on and there are many ups and downs in life. Her happiest moment is when a son is born to her in 1851. But 3 months later, the baby dies. What a tragedy. At the fort of, now this scene is in the fort of Jhansi. At the fort of Jhansi, Gangadhar Rao and Rani Lakshmi Bai are in a serious discussion. Gangadhar, Rani, I am worried. The British are rapidly increasing their power. And now there is a new law. It says that if a king dies without leaving an heir, H-E-I-R, the pronunciation is heir. Heir means suppose there is a king or anybody for that matter. The person who is inheriting the property of the father or the family property is known as a heir. H-E-I-R. In Hindi it is known as Uttaradhikar. Uttaradhikari. In Hindi it is known as Uttaradhikari. Without leaving an heir, his kingdom will be taken over by the British. Rani says, yes, I know. The cunning British have taken over many kingdoms like this, and our son is no more. Gangadhar says, but Rani, we can adopt a son if you agree. Adopt means to take some other child and treat him as their own child. If you agree, Rani, I would be very happy to do that. Rani says, I'll be very happy to do that. I have no objection in adopting a child. That's what Rani means Lakshmi Bai. That is Manu. Manu says. Okay, we have read up to scene 4. So we will not read further today because you will be confused otherwise. So scene 5 onwards in the next class we will read. But it is a very interesting drama. This drama can be enacted also. That is the most important part. It can be enacted not only in school, anywhere. Anywhere you can enact the drama with a few friends of yours. Okay? Okay children, bye then.